Hi, and welcome to the Quick and Easy Meal channel. On this channel, we make good suggestions for quick and healthy meals that the average person can make. I hope you enjoy this channel. Let's get ready for today's Quick and Easy Meal.
Quick and easy meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and easy meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Today we will make cinnamon flavored chaffle, and it's similar to a waffle but keto friendly. The ingredients are monk fruit sweetener, almond flour, cinnamon flavored maple syrup. Had to order this on Amazon for the keto based syrup, eggs, cinnamon, and a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. We'll mix this all up, and we'll need a waffle iron to make our chaffle. To start our chaffle, we'll warm up the waffle iron. Right now it's on red. It's not ready. It'll turn green when it's ready. If you can see that. Red as it's getting hot, green when it's ready to pour in the ingredients. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Next, we'll add an egg. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of monk fruit. Next, we'll add a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Next, we'll add a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. And then we'll combine the ingredients, mix it up really well, and pour it into the well-heated. Next, we'll mix up the ingredients. Once your iron is hot, you want to spray your oil on it, and then you want to put your ingredients into the waffle iron. And it's really hot, so it shouldn't take too long, probably less than 5 minutes. We'll get it spread out. It's not a lot of liquid, so you just got to spread it out on there. I probably should have made more to make it fill up the whole pan, but you got the idea. And you put that down. The indicator light here is when it turns green. Well, it just turned green, so it's ready to go. And then you'll turn it over in about 2 minutes. With this handle here, you'll flip it over. After about 5 minutes, it should be done. We'll take a look. It's nice and dark based on the cinnamon. And then we'll just have to get this off of the grill. And add butter and syrup. And there you go. A cinnamon chaffle. We'll add some butter, and we'll add some keto-friendly syrup, cinnamon flavored. as much as you like, since it is keto friendly. And there you go. A very nice breakfast. Add some eggs and bacon and you're all set. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I hope you got some good ideas and I hope you will like and subscribe. Have a great week.